Hi class, I'm Darren Susi. I'm with USD 367 in Osawatomie, Kansas. I've been here for 20 years. Was born in Hastings, Nebraska, youngest of six boys. I played basketball at Kearney State College, majored in computer science and physical education. Um, First years spending in education were 5 years in Kiowa, Kansas at South Barber Schools, and our last 20 years have been in Osawatomie, Kansas. I was a computer science teacher at our middle school and building tech director for 9 years. Assistant middle school. Then I got my administrative degree and became assistant elementary principal and building tech director for 4 years. Then moved on to assistant middle school principal back at the middle school I was at, building tech director and activities director there for 6 years. After I gave up my coaching, I've coached for 25 years with head boys basketball at the high school and golf coach, and then assisted in many other sports during the fall season. When I gave up that, my superintendent hit me up with taking an executive director job at our fitness building that is attached to our high school. So I've done that for the last 5 years. I even coached volleyball for a couple of years, which I thoroughly enjoyed. Been part of a technology committee in our district and also been a certified network administrator with Novell, and belong to numerous organizations in Nebraska and Kansas. My family, I am married to a first grade teacher. She's been teaching for 32 years. Amazing teacher, works a lot harder than I do. I have three valedictorians and one plastics engineer, so four kids. Very proud of them and all their accomplishments. We had two that got married this summer, thank goodness, or last summer. Thank goodness it wasn't this summer. My daughter and my oldest son. And my oldest son, he was a gorilla, went to Pittsburgh State through their plastics engineering program, had a chance to play college basketball and football, but decided to just go to Pittsburgh State. And my second son was a KU track athlete and placed in the Big 12 800 and ran cross country also. Daughter was a volleyball player at KU, had a great career with some great, amazing ladies, and made it to the Final Four. She was big. Most thing I'm probably proud of is she's Big 12's Sportswoman of the Year. My youngest son was a senior at UNK, Nebraska Kearney, played basketball there, was second team MIAA. Very proud of his accomplishments, and he was one of the top academic people. Received the academic award also. I have earned the following degrees at the University of Nebraska Kearney. My master's in building leadership was from Baker University. I'm working towards my district leadership. Right now, I'll be done in May, and I've accepted a superintendent position at Stanton, Nebraska, which is about 10 miles from Norfolk, Nebraska, going back closer to family. I've been part of the leadership, Miami County, Greenbush Leadership Academy, Andy Tompkins Leadership Award, received that, Knights of Columbus. I'm an Eagle Scout. I've helped students with their Eagle Scout projects in our district. I love to hunt and fish and spend time with my family. What I wish to get out of this class is to gain more knowledge and understanding of facility planning. Main areas that I haven't dealt with are, transportation and the major maintenance issues and upkeep. My experience with building maintenance and school safety, transportation, janitorial staff, grounds, etc., have been, a lot of maintenance issues with our facility I'm in. School safety, when I was assistant principal, I've dealt with a lot of that. Janitorial staff, currently as executive director, I have to deal with that. And then our grounds, we do a lot of, we've upgraded a lot of our sports facilities, and so I've done with that in the last 15 years. That is all about me. I look forward to learning a lot in this class, and everybody stay safe out there with all this virus going around. And be looking to work with you guys all online. Thank you.